You always want to go bit by bit so you don't warp the plate.
And welcome back to the channel. Here is the conclusion of our ZX-4RR clutch issue. After taking the clutches apart and doing a thorough inspection, it seems the issue lies mostly in the clutch springs, as the friction plates themselves only showed normal wear and tear. But since we were already there, thanks to our friend John, we not only replaced the OEM springs, but also elected to replace the friction plates as well. As you can see from the comparison picture, the Barnett plates have a lot more friction material than OEM for better engagement and reduced slippage. After everything was said and done, our new Barnett springs and friction plate setup performed flawlessly, with only slightly higher forces to operate the clutch lever. Dare I say, I do like the new setup better than OEM. Overall, the complete job was rather painless and straightforward without any major roadblocks. The clutch cable was easily disconnected, the clutch cover itself came off easy, and the removal of the springs and friction plates was a non-event as well. The same can be said for the installation process of the Barnett parts. Everything was done rather quick and painlessly. Once again, a huge thank you to our friend John, who took the time to not only get the job done right, but also patiently explain the steps involved. In the end, looking at what has transpired here, there really should be a recall from Kawasaki concerning the weak OEM springs that are okay on a Ninja 400, but are not up for the task at twice the horsepower and increased torque figures. Hopefully, this will give you a better idea of what is going on if you have similar problems on your ZX-4RR. Until next time, helmets on, worries gone, fluffy tails, and twisty trails. Bye!
Because that's